In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up a brand new YouTube channel if you're just starting from making an account to the essential channel settings that'll help boost your growth fast. First off, congrats, you've made a great choice by deciding to launch your own YouTube channel. My name is Blink, and let's hit the ground running. Head over to youtube.com, then go to the top right corner and click Sign In. This will lead you to a page where you'll need to sign in using your Gmail. If you don't already have a Gmail account, simply hit Create Account. You can create it either for business or personal use, but I recommend going with the business option. Why? Because you want to treat YouTube like a business. So create a business email for your channel. Select Business, and you'll be able to get an email address. However, if you'd rather not do this, just go back and choose Create Account for personal use. That's the simplest way to go about it, alright? Then you'll enter your first name, set up your email account, and once that's done, you're all set. Great, now we're officially inside YouTube. With our account ready, the next move is to create your channel, which YouTube will do automatically. But we need to customize your branding. Your channel represents your brand, okay? And the first thing to focus on is your channel name and username. But let's start with the channel name. Click on Customize Channel, which will lead you to YouTube Studio. Hit Continue, and here's where we can tailor your channel to match the brand you want to build. Let's begin with the channel name. This is where the creativity kicks in. You can use any name you want, but try to be imaginative. What's the vibe? What name will make people think, wow, I have to check this channel out? That's our target. If you're unsure, go to ChatGPT and ask for help coming up with names. For example, say, I'm creating a YouTube channel to share folktale story videos. Please suggest 20 creative, catchy channel names. You'll see ChatGPT generate several options. For instance, one might be Tales of Wonder, so feel free to brainstorm using AI. What I like to do is think ahead, check whether the name you want is available across platforms like TikTok, Facebook, Instagram, or any website. A good rule of thumb is to choose a name that's not already in use anywhere else online. This makes it easier for people to find you and helps establish credibility. But don't worry too much about finding the perfect name right away. You can always change it later. Pick something that feels good for now and get going. Start messy if you must, but start. Next, let's talk about your channel handle. Think of this like your YouTube username. It's similar to social media handles, but specifically for YouTube. Make it distinct and unique to you. Just like the channel name, you can update your handle anytime, so don't get caught up in trying to find the perfect one immediately. Here's where many people begin to get a bit lost. What's the difference between a channel name and a channel handle? Well, they're not the same, and understanding this difference will help you better structure your channel identity across YouTube and beyond. Wondering about the difference between your name and your channel handle? Think of it this way: your channel name appears on your homepage and beneath your video thumbnails. It's your public-facing name. Meanwhile, your handle is like your username at something, what people use to tag or directly search for you. So yes, your channel name might be Tales of Wonder, but your handle could be at Tales of Wonder. See the distinction? This is your channel name, and this here is your handle. So let's go ahead and assign this as Tales of Wonder. Here's a quick tip when picking a name: keep it short, catchy, and easy to spell. You don't want viewers having a hard time locating you because your name is too complicated or forgettable. Aim for simplicity, something that lingers in people's minds. Got it? And hey, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. This channel is packed with useful tips to help you grow. Next up is your profile picture. Pro tip: choose an image that looks great in a circular crop because that's how YouTube displays it. You definitely don't want your logo or image to look squished, awkwardly cropped, or poorly placed. Believe me, we've seen way too many of those. So go with something that matches your channel's personality. It could be a sleek logo or a clear headshot, just make sure it stands out. Right here, you'll see the recommended format and sizing for your channel's profile picture. The best approach is to use Canva to design your YouTube profile picture. Canva offers some of the best templates for this purpose. So let's head over to Canva. Once you're there, search for YouTube profile picture and click on the result. Choose a template that fits your channel's vibe, then customize it to your liking. You'll see plenty of template options. Just pick one that suits your branding, make your edits, and you're good to go. After finalizing your profile picture, upload it here. Now that we've uploaded the profile picture, the next step is to add a banner to your channel. Right here, you'll notice the banner size requirements. Quick tip: keep your banner design simple and visually appealing. It should immediately let new visitors know they're in the right place, that this is the kind of content they're looking for. Choose colors, fonts, or a theme that aligns with your overall channel style. This strengthens your brand identity. Don't just throw random images or splash colors everywhere, be intentional. Also, remember your banner must display properly across all devices. You don't want essential elements to be cut off on mobile. Many YouTube channels make this mistake, their banners get cropped and look unprofessional. Make sure your design adjusts correctly across mobile, desktop, TV, and more. That way, everything important remains visible, no matter the device. Once you're done, upload your banner image right here, and you're set with a solid visual identity for your channel. A well-done banner really makes a difference in your channel's first impression. Alright, YouTube will always show you a preview of how your banner looks on desktop, TV, and mobile. Make sure to check this before uploading. A lot of creators skip this step and end up with poorly cropped banners on phones, which hurts the overall branding. Now, to create your banner, go to Canva and search for YouTube banner. Once you do that, you'll see plenty of templates. Choose one and start customizing it to match your channel's branding. Replace the images, icons, subscribe button, basically anything to suit your channel style. Once we upload the banner, we'll get a preview. This is how it will appear on TV. This is how it looks on desktop, and this is the mobile version. Take a look at all three, especially mobile. After confirming everything looks good, click Done, and just like that, your banner is set. Next, we need to add a channel description. This tells viewers more about your channel. If you're not sure what to write, just go to ChatGPT and ask, "Can you write a short YouTube description for my channel?" For example, say your channel is Tales of Wonder and it focuses on storytelling or folk tales. ChatGPT will create a great description. Take the text it gives you and paste it right into the description box. You can tweak and personalize it or use it. You can also add your channel's social media links, contact info, and email for brands to reach out. Plus, you can upload a video watermark here. That watermark will appear in the bottom left corner of every video you upload. Once you've completed all of this, hit publish and the changes will go live. Finally, the next important step is to verify your YouTube channel. And it's not optional if you want to unlock key features that help your channel grow quickly. Features like uploading videos longer than 15 minutes, using custom thumbnails, and going live require verification. If you don't verify your account, you won't be able to access these tools. YouTube will also ask for your phone number as part of the verification process, so keep in mind you'll need to provide your number. Now that we've cleared that up, let me show you a few tricks to help your channel stand out. First, go back to your YouTube channel settings. Click on Settings, then select Upload Defaults. Here's an important tip. Never set your videos to public by default. Never publish a video without first crafting a solid title, writing a proper description, adjusting the right settings, and adding relevant tags. If you skip this, your video likely won't get much visibility. What you want to do is set all of these things up ahead of time. Prepare your title, write your description, and choose your visibility settings. You can select public once everything's in place. Just make sure that for every video you upload, these elements are already set before you publish it to the public. When it comes to thumbnails, this is an area where many creators go wrong. Your title and thumbnail are the most crucial parts of your video. They're like the packaging. If your title and thumbnail don't grab attention or aren't appealing, people simply won't click. That's just how it works, so take your time and get it right. If you're struggling for ideas, just search for similar videos on YouTube to get inspiration. Here's a pro tip. Sometimes it's actually smarter to design your thumbnail before filming your video. This way, you already know the type of video and thumbnail you're aiming for, and you can plan your content around that. You can add your title here, your description here, and tags. Keep in mind, anything you put under Upload Defaults will automatically appear each time you upload a video. It'll be pre-filled, and you can easily edit it before publishing. Add your tags, and under Advanced Settings, adjust everything right there as well. Next, click on Channel. Here, you can set your country of residence and also add your channel keywords. These are not the same as video keywords. These keywords help YouTube understand what your entire channel is about. For example, if someone searches for folktale story and that keyword is added here, your channel could show up in the results. So, adding keywords here is really important. Just enter a list of keywords related to the type of content you plan to upload on your channel. That way, you improve your chances of being discovered by people who are searching for content like yours. Got it? Right here, you'll see the required number of subscribers and watch hours you need. As shown, you need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours or 10 million shorts views to qualify for monetization on your channel. And just like that, you're ready to take your very first step. I know it may seem overwhelming, but once you upload your first video, you'll realize it's really not that scary. In fact, give it 6 months and you'll probably watch that first video again and cringe yet, the good kind of cringe. That means you're improving, and that's progress. If you haven't subscribed to this channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. There are loads of helpful videos here just like this one. Also, like this video and feel free to drop your questions in the comments section. If you've got something to ask, I'll be sure to respond to you.